7 Best Foods to Improve Gut Health. 1. Food high in fiber. High dietary fiber foods that improve gut health include the following: legumes such as lentils and chickpeas, beans and leafy greens such as broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprout. 2. Fermented foods. Fermented foods and drinks increase good gut bacteria and improve the immune system. These are sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, and kombucha. 3. High collagen boosting foods. Collagen helps repair the gut lining and therefore heals leaky gut. Eggs, nuts, and bone broth from organically raised animals. 4. Spices. Variety of spices in your diet. Beneficial spices such as garlic, onion, cinnamon, and turmeric. 5. Foods high in omega-3. A study shows omega-3 improves gut diversity, which is good for gut health. These are salmon, sardines, chia seeds, and flax seeds. 6. Prebiotic root vegetables. Sunchokes, also called Egyptian artichokes, which is a dietary fiber that feeds good bacteria. 7. Plant-based diets. A study has shown that vegan and vegetarian diets have healthier microbiomes. These diets have high levels of prebiotic fiber. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.